So mobility is an interesting topic because mobility, people tend to think there's just a provision of a data capture or some information on a mobile device. SYSPRO views mobility far more strategic and far more tactical in your business. We look at it from how could mobility provide a functional role and provide an improvement of an efficiency and control directly to your business. One of the areas that we're very keen and continue to improve on and ensure that we are adding value is directly on your shop floor. As part of improving the mobility and the touch points, we've looked at how could we create some workbenches, what typically would reside on these workbenches that would make up an aggregate role that would provide people a single touch point into the system touching on that subject matter. So with SYSPRO SFDC, what we have done is we've put all of the functions that typically you would need on the shop floor directly from a single workbench. This will allow your operators to select what work center they are in and to record any of the transactions that are typically associated against a job. By doing this, this eliminates the need for you to capture the information and have it transposed later on into your ERP system. Capturing the information at source provides you the automatic benefit of improved visibility, having your transactions and your data real-time for analysis, and also ensuring you don't have any transposition errors later on.